It's mentioned logos. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut out any image. Usually there's two options. There's an image that you have with a white background that you want to remove that, usually a JPEG format, or there's another image with a variety of different colors in the background, which is a little bit more difficult but still very easy to remove the background. So let's jump right into it. If you have a background that has a white background color and you want to just simply cut that image out, one of the best ways to do it, as a best practice, always duplicate your layers in case you make any mistakes. Just going to turn that visibility off here. So on that layer, I'm going to go to colors, color to alpha, and then from here you can select the color. We're just going to go ahead and drag it down to all F's on the HTML notation to get a solid white. Go ahead and hit OK. Now it does remove all of the white, but if you notice it's very transparent and you can still see through the duck. So let's turn off that layer, go back to our original copy. From there we'll click on that, and then we're going to use our fuzzy select tool, grab the white in the background. If there's any other white, you can hold shift and multiple select there. So now we're selecting the white. Hold control and I inverts the selection, so now we just got the duck. We're going to go ahead and make a new layer, transparency, and from there we can turn off that. Now as you can see the outline of the duck. So let's go ahead and put white, control shift A to unselect all, or you can go to select none. Here are the short codes. If you make that layer visible without the white, notice that you can see through the duck, and with the white it brings back all the natural whites within the color of the image. Once you merge those together, you have a solid image with a successful background removed. Now let's go ahead and delete these now that we know how to do that, and focus on this one here. If you're working with an image that has not a white background, one of the better ways to do it is going to be using this lasso tool or the free select tool. And basically, just for this tutorial, you'll zoom in and you can get as precise as you want with this tool right here. Just go ahead and roughly get right around the edges of the duck. I'm going to go ahead and zoom through this for you and just kind of making it rough to show you a fast version. As always, you can zoom in and get very precise with this tool. Just for the tutorial version, I'm not going to do the full duck, but I'm going to show you how you connect them. Once you get to the end, it'll turn yellow. Click on that, it selects the area. Control X deletes the background. And if you follow that process, you'll have a successful cutout of any image that you want. As always, thanks for watching. This is Adam with 4th Dimension Logos, and please subscribe for more tutorials on Gimp, Inkscape, and Photoshop. Thanks.